Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, we'll teach you how to create a slide-in scroll box campaign for your website. In your OptinMonster dashboard, click on the slide-in campaign type and choose the template that fits your design needs. Next, name your campaign and start building. In the drag and drop builder, you can completely customize the slide-in scroll box campaign by changing images, texts, fonts, background colors, button colors, and so much more. Slide-in scroll box campaigns are a popular choice for sharing content upgrades with your website visitors or for a stylish email newsletter sign-up campaign. Next, in display rules, you'll decide when, where, and to whom your campaign will show on your site, such as distance scrolled, time spent on site, and we can use a combination of rules so that our slide-in scroll box only shows on the pages we specify for it to load. Once you've established display rules and can want to go to the Publish tab where you can toggle from paused to live, and make sure to save your campaign. Follow the embed instructions for your web platform. And you've successfully created a slide-in scroll box for your website.
If you have any questions, please look through our helpful documentation. And for further assistance, you can always submit a support ticket and we'll be more than happy to help.